Supplementing with collagen is crucial for our bodies. Collagen is a protein that forms the foundation for the human movement system, particularly bone, cartilage, fiber, and joints. It has a revitalizing effect when taken regularly. Do you know which foods contain collagen? We looked into it for you. Collagen deficiency causes aging, hair loss, and skin concerns. Some meals we consume have a collagen-boosting impact, giving your skin a younger, healthier appearance. You may get this effect without taking medicine by regularly consuming a few certain foods. What is collagen? One of the main proteins in your body is collagen. It is a crucial component of structural elements and connective tissues, including skin, tendons, muscles, ligaments, and blood vessels, as well as portions of your eyes and teeth. It is made up of amino acid chains. Additionally, collagen helps in blood coagulation, wound healing, and nervous system protection. Your body contains the protein collagen, which is found in numerous tissues and organs. The skin's health, muscular mass, bones, and joints may all be preserved with the aid of a protein supplement. There are 28 different forms of collagen, which is a protein that is widely distributed. The human body mostly contains types 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The various forms of collagen are thought to perform distinct functions. For instance, earlier studies have shown that types 1 and 3 exist in the skin and organs, but type 2 is generally found in joints and cartilage. As a result, various forms of collagen are frequently offered in collagen supplements. However, keep in mind that further studies are required to fully comprehend the potential effects of the various forms of supplemental collagen on human health. Many collagen supplements include various forms of this protein, just like your body does. Among the most popular varieties are hydrogenated collagen. This kind is produced from cattle, seafood, poultry, pigs, and other animal sources. It is disintegrated into smaller and more absorbable peptide particles. Undenatured collagen. This is chicken cartilage-derived raw collagen. Cooked collagen is known as gelatin, and it is often produced from animal sources. The kind utilized in your preferred supplement may have an impact on the supplement's form and dose recommendations. What happens when collagen levels are low? The body's ability to produce collagen declines considerably with age. Your skin loses its flexibility and epidermal thickness when this happens. It results in wrinkles and skin damage. Decreases in collagen can also result in stiffer, less flexible ligaments, shrinkage and weakening of muscles, joint discomfort, osteoarthritis, and digestive problems. Low collagen levels can inhibit hair development and cause thinning hair. Foods that support collagen production in the body. Consuming collagen-rich meals can also assist you in generating the necessary building blocks for your skin objectives. Bone broth. The majority of people choose this alternative. According to this method, collagen may be extracted from animal bones by boiling them in water. Spices can be used to flavor the broth while preparing this dish at home. According to nutritionists, bone broth includes calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, collagen, glucosamine, chondroitin, amino acids, and many other minerals because it is formed from bones and connective tissue. Chicken. There is a purpose for using chicken as the source of the collagen supplement. The most popular white meat has a lot of ingredients. You've undoubtedly noticed how much connective tissue poultry has if you've ever chopped up a whole chicken. Because of these tissues, chicken is a great source of collagen. Egg whites. Although eggs do not have connective tissues like many other animal products, egg whites do. One of the essential amino acids for collagen formation is proline, which is available in significant levels. Fish and shellfish. Fish and shellfish contain collagen-based bones and ligaments, much like other animals. One of the most easily absorbed types of collagen is, apparently, marine collagen. However, while a lunchtime tuna sandwich or dinner salmon would undoubtedly increase your collagen intake, fish meat contains less collagen than other parts of the animal. The fish's head, scales, or eyeball, which are high in collagen, should generally be consumed. In studies, collagen peptides have been found in fish skin. Citrus fruits. Procollagen, the body's precursor to collagen, is produced in large part by vitamin C. Therefore, it's important to get enough vitamin C. Citrus fruits, including oranges, grapefruit, lemons, and limes, are rich in this vitamin, as you are surely aware. For breakfast, try a cooked grapefruit or toss some orange segments into your salad. Berries. Although citrus fruits often receive the most attention for their high vitamin C content, berries are also a fantastic source. Strawberries actually contain more vitamin C per ounce than oranges. Blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries also provide a sizable dosage. Furthermore, berries are rich in antioxidants, which shield the skin from harm. Tropical fruits. The list of fruits high in vitamin C is completed by tropical fruits including guava, mango, and kiwi. Guava also contains small amounts of zinc, another element that is beneficial for collagen formation. Garlic. Garlic may offer more than flavor to your stir-fry and pasta recipes. It could increase the amount of collagen you produce. Sulfur, a trace mineral that assists in the synthesis of collagen and prevents its deterioration, is abundant in garlic. But it's crucial to remember that how much you eat counts. To benefit from collagen, you probably need to consume a lot of it. But with all of its advantages, you should think about including garlic in your daily diet. If you enjoy garlic, use twice the amount called for in a recipe. Leafy greens. We all understand that leafy greens are essential to a balanced diet. It turns out that they could also provide aesthetic advantages. Chlorophyll, which is recognized for its antioxidant effects, gives salad greens like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and others their color. Consuming chlorophyll raises the skin's level of the precursor to collagen, according to certain research. Beans. Beans are rich in protein and often include the amino acids needed to make collagen. Another component necessary for the formation of collagen is copper, which is abundant in many. Cashew nuts. Zinc and copper, which are both included in these filler nuts, help the body produce more collagen. By using a lot of collagen, you may achieve the support you want in many areas, such as your joints and your skin. Tomatoes. A secret source of vitamin C is tomatoes. One medium tomato contains nearly 30% of this important component for collagen. Lycopene is another abundant compound found in tomatoes. Additionally, it has a lot of antioxidants for healthy skin support. The collagen diet is an eating plan that involves avoiding too much sugar and processed carbs while consuming foods high in collagen, which some sources claim helps to preserve youthfulness, vitality, and attractiveness. Consuming collagen injections and supplements are two other diet options. Now, if there are any topics you'd like me to cover, write them down and I'll put them on my priority list. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay well, stay healthy. See you on better days.